Welcome to SidSee Lab. Let's learn, create, and animate. Today we're going to learn how to create 3D animation using Meta AI. You can turn simple text prompts into amazing 3D models. No complicated software or years of training needed. Just describe your character, what action you want, and Meta AI generates the animation for you in seconds. It's super fast, easy, and perfect for beginners. Open Chrome and type Meta AI. Click on the Meta AI website. It will take you directly to the login page. Log in using Instagram, Facebook, or your email address. Now, click on the image. You can change the size of the image you're creating. If you click on the image, it shows multiple options. Choose the type of script you need. Click on Images and write your script. I am creating an image of a dragon blowing bubbles. Now press Enter. Meta AI gives you multiple image options. Select the one that matches your script. You also have styling options: 3D, cartoon, or anime. If you click on 3D, Meta AI provides 4 more images of the dragon blowing bubbles. These 4 images are different from the previous results. Now type Animate and press Enter. Here's the magic. It animates all your images. You can animate all images or just a single one. Next, create another image. Write dog barking in the street. Now press Enter. It generates 4 images of dogs. Click on the play button under the images. It animates all your images. Click on any image. Now you see the dog barking in the street. Now, create another image. Write a girl sitting in the park, reading a book, and smiling. It generates multiple images of girls smiling and reading a book. Click Animate. Now all the images are animated. You see a beautiful girl sitting in the park, reading a book with a smile on her face. Create an image and write the A boy entering the park holding a bouquet of red roses in his hand, and press the Enter button. It creates 4 beautiful images. Animate the image. Now you get a boy holding a bouquet of roses. Now you see a boy holding a beautiful bouquet of red rose and smiling. Next, create another image with the same size of 16 by 9. Write that a mother holding her baby and trying to lay the baby on the bed. And then press the Enter button. It generates a beautiful image of a mother holding her baby, laying the baby on the bed. Now, we are going to create an image of 3D cartoon alphabets where every letter jumps. Multiple images are generated. Animate all of them. When animated, select the one of your choice. But they are all cute. See how the alphabets are enjoying. Finally, last but not least, we are going to create an image for my YouTube channel intro, SidSee Lab. This one is going to be really cute. Each letter will fall gracefully from the top of the screen. Now you see that 4 images are going to create. All of the 4 are stunning. They have beautiful colors. Their font style is so amazing. I must add one of them to my logo for the YouTube channel. You guys must like it. So do subscribe my channel. Click animate. Now all my channel logos are beautiful. Thanks so much for watching SidSee Lab. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment too. We'll see you in the next fun and exciting tutorial.